These 5 electric machines prove one thing: America's future is already here. Subscribe to FutureDrive America. Number 5. The bold and rugged Rivian R1T. Venture, this electric beast delivers power without pollution. Powered by a battery pack up to 135 kilowatt hours, it delivers over 800 horsepower and up to 400 miles of driving range. With quad-motor all-wheel drive, off-road suspension, and advanced driver assistance, this truck is built for extreme terrain. At number 4, America's legendary truck F-150 goes electric. 6 Ford F-150 Lightning redefines where the aggressive grille and integrated LED lighting command attention. Its premium styling fuses innovation with iconic American strength. Battery offers up to 131 kilowatt hours, producing around 580 horsepower and nearly 320 miles of range. With intelligent backup power capability and massive towing capacity, it's more than just a truck. Number 3. Lucid Air, pure American luxury in electric form. With a massive 118 kilowatt-hour battery, it delivers over 1,000 horsepower and an industry-leading range exceeding 500 miles. Ultra-fast charging, glass canopy roof, and advanced autonomous driving make it a technological masterpiece. 2. Chevrolet Silverado EV power meets next-generation engineering. With an estimated 200 kilowatt-hour battery, it targets over 400 miles of range and strong towing capability. 4-wheel steering, massive digital displays, and futuristic design define this electric giant. And at number 1, the king of electric performance Tesla Model S Plaid. With a high-performance battery around 100 kilowatt hours, it produces over 1,000 horsepower and accelerates from 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. Tri-motor all-wheel drive, full self-driving capability, and cutting-edge software updates keep it ahead of every competitor.